This is how to enable private browsing in Safari web browser, whereby your browser history is now saved. First, tap on your Safari mobile browser. Once your browser opens, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Then select New Private tab. Then it says Locked Private Browsing. So it's trying to explain to you what it's all about. So if you want to lock it, you can go with turn on lock private browsing. But for now, not now. So I'll tap on not now. So let's now search few things to see if it will be recorded in the history. After that, I will tap on search. Then this pops up for me to agree. I will tap on accept all. So let's look for the one pointing to a particular website. So let's see the one pointing at Indeed. I will tap on that. If it's on a normal browsing, this will be recorded already. So but let's go and check out if this is recorded in the history. So I'll tap on the three dots. Then I will tap on all tabs and then I'll close this private browsing. I'll get back to two tabs and tap on this plus sign. All right, so I'm back to normal browsing, that is not private browsing. Let's check if we find the history. I will tap on the three dots, then I will tap on bookmarks, tap on this history is not recorded, meaning that the private browsing worked very perfectly. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Ask question if you have any. See you some other time.